Hello, good morning. It is, oh my god, it is Friday. I haven't uploaded in quite a while because, well, there's a few reasons. I don't have anything to really film because my mental health isn't too great, so I haven't been doing anything. But I'd like to make a little video series, not a series, a few videos, you know, whatever, of trying to change my life around, but that's not today. I also might have a cold, I don't know. Like, I wake up all like blocked. I wake up and my nose is all blocked. I go to sleep and my nose is all blocked, but throughout the rest of the day it's fine. I'm also loving this weather. It's cold, but I don't know, autumn, because it is autumn now probably. I'm going to wash my face and then I'm going to come back and we'll do skincare, maybe a little bit of makeup and my hair. So I wanted to say that I just realised, like, I'm about to talk to the camera and I've got this fucking cow fucking headband on. Yeah, so like I said earlier, I want to make like episodes of trying to sort my life out, but I need to plan it out, as in I need to write down all the things that I think will improve my life and then do them and put them in the episodes and hope that it will be improving my life, but also maybe, what, I hate saying inspire people because it's like, you know, okay, let's change inspire to motivate. Motivate people to, I don't know, improve their life if they want to. I mean, I'm an introvert. I love being at home. It's my favourite thing. Like, I know I'm a bit mental. I can't say that. Can I? I don't know if I can say that, but I'm saying it. I've just cleaned my teeth and then had a sip of Monster. Ugh. Okay, well, I look presentable, but not, you know, great. Do you ever get so annoyed with how you look in the, like, you look good in the mirror and then you look on a camera and you're like, ew. Also, my eyelashes are pissing me off. They need to be, I cut them because I have small eyes anyway, but like this one's not too bad, but this one is just, no. I don't know if my sister's coming or not to meet me. I am just gonna chill out. I do need to eat, but I don't know what to eat. Let's go have a look. Ooh, it's cold, it's cold. I always love the lighting in the kitchen. So nice, so nice. I just don't know what to eat. There's nothing. There's just nothing. Like, chicken Kiev in bread's pretty normal, isn't it? I feel like. Oh. But it is 10 AM. Although, I just think, like, eat whatever you want for breakfast. Sometimes I have a full meal for breakfast. Of like, I did have a little chicken Kiev bites the other day for breakfast. I have to have it in bread because I don't want that to, like, 32 minutes, by the way, is crazy. Is that what it says, 32 minutes? Not in my air fryer. I don't know if it's supposed to be 200 degrees, but it's now 20 to 5. I didn't meet my sister today. I went to therapy earlier. I always like, before I go into therapy, I'm like, oh, and then when I come out, I'm like, like, I've usually realised something in my sessions, you know? Like, I don't know, anyway. Look how cute this is. Hang on, I'm sat on it. I know, I've got to sort out all this mess behind me. Look how cute this is. Yeah, I need to clean up all this. But I'm tired. I haven't done anything. Like, there's nothing in this vlog. Although, I am making dinner later. Vlog making dinner. Vlog. Also, we found this today. So, it was like free. Someone left it outside the house. This, which I'm going to clean in a minute. But I also need to sort all this out. I also got this today because it's gonna, oh my god, this mess, man, it looks awful. Anyway, this is it's gonna be my morning basket. So it's gonna have like my journal in it and then my to-do list, because I don't know, it's just gonna have stuff in it.
God, what have you done? You're a pink pony girl. Gil! Oh no, the bus is here.
Clear up this mess, all this paperwork I need to sort out, and maybe put the extension lead not just like that. The flower water is disgusting. I need to change that. I'm gonna try sort it out some more. Okay, there we go. I sorted it out. Well, I haven't sorted it, but I'll show you. So this is going to have all my notebooks in the like productivity notebooks. So this is like a to-do list, a bucket list. This is a cleaning journal, the digital detox, which I haven't started yet. But maybe that's something I could do on YouTube. We'll see. My journal, another notebook, another one. Like there's just, anyway. I cleaned up the plugs a little bit. This, I'm gonna make a Halloween wreath. Oh my god. Wreath. Why does that sound weird? Why does that sound weird? Like a circular thing. A wreath. Wreath. Tomorrow, I think I'm going to literally deep clean this whole room, because like I've cleaned these shelves, but all this needs a sponge, like an abrasive sponge, to clean that up. I want to sort out the coffee table. I want to take everything off the sofa, hoover the sofa. I hoover the sofa every day on top, but I want to take it apart and hoover it. Sort out there, just everything needs sorting out. I need to wash up because Toby bought some new pasta bowls, which are lovely. I'll show you them at some point. So I need to wash up. I need to take off my eyelashes and wash my face. And make dinner, but I'm not making dinner yet. I think this is cuter here. I found a little side table to put on his bit so that he has a little side table. but this looks nice here. I look really shiny because I just put some oil on my face. So I have created a problem that I have flooded the bathroom. This is the bathroom currently. Look how wet all the wall is. Oh my god. I don't have a kitchen sink. Well, we do, but it's not plumbed in. I fill up the washing up bowl and take it into the kitchen and wash up, and then the water has to go down the toilet. So I was taking the washing up bowl to the toilet, and I switched on the light while holding the bowl, and it just went. I hate touching chicken, I hate touching chicken. Here is dinner, chicken spaghetti. Shall I do?